Hello everybody, this is Miss Susan. Today's episode is about how to classify quadrilaterals. Lesson 10-4. So our essential question, how can you sort and classify quadrilaterals? Let's see.
Hi there. Denzel and I were watching people fly kites earlier today. It was a wonderful, windy day. Denzel tells me that one of the kites has 4 sides and 4 angles. That's good to know, but I wonder what we call a figure like that.
A figure has 4 sides and 4 angles. We call it quadrilateral.
Come on, let's take a look at ways to classify figures with 4 sides and 4 angles.
Okay, so let's see what today's topic is about. It's about quadrilaterals. Quad mean 4 and laterals mean sides. So if you put it together, it will give you quadrilateral means 4 sides shapes. And any 4 sides shapes form 4 angles. So any shape with 4 sides and 4 angles, we classify it as a quadrilateral. Let's see all types of quadrilaterals.
A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides and 4 angles. You can name a quadrilateral by the vertices of its angles. For example, this quadrilateral can be named A, B, C, D. Quadrilateral ABCD is a possible name for this example because the points are given in the same order as they are on the rectangle. Quadrilateral ACBD is not a possible name because points are not given in the same order as they are on the rectangle. Point C and point A are not endpoints of a side of the rectangle. The tick marks on the line segments show that they have the same length. Sides AB and CD have the same length. Sides BC and AD also have the same length. Let's see how we can classify quadrilaterals. All quadrilaterals have 4 straight sides and 4 vertices. Sometimes the sides are parallel. This is a trapezoid.
Okay, let's revise what he said. He said when you name any quadrilateral, which is 4-sided shape, you name it according to the names of its vertices. Vertices here means points. So we have point A, point B, point C, point D. So we can call the shape according to it. But in one condition, if you read and name the shape, you have to call the letters or call it and say the letters in the same order. So for example, you can say A, B, C, D or B, C, D, A, but you can't say it A, C, D, B and just tell the letters in any order. Now you have to walk around the shape, choose starting point, then start to walk around the shape in one order. Okay, and what else? Parallel. Parallel mean, we talked it yesterday. Parallel mean the lines which are walking side by side and they never interact. Okay, so, or never intersect or never meet. So how I know the parallel side? By putting a tick. How I know the equal sides? By putting a tick. It's the same tick here or the same tick here. The same double tick here or the same double tick here. This means these 2 sides are congruent. Congruent mean have the same length and parallel to. Okay? Mean they are typically alike. So let's see the types of quadrilaterals. The first type here is trapezoid. And let's see the trapezoid. The trapezoid has two parallel sides. But are they equal? No, they are not equal. That's why they didn't put the tick here. But you know that this side and this side are walking side by side and they never intersect, right, or meet. This means it has two equal sides. And two here, he named it as pair. And you know pair means two. So instead of saying two parallel sides, he said one pair of parallel sides. So let's see the trapezoid and what he was saying.
A trapezoid has at least one pair of parallel sides. This is a parallelogram.
Okay, from the word parallel. Parallel means walking side by side, never intersect or never meet. So, the parallelogram, all its sides are parallel, right? That's why we said its name is parallelogram. Okay, the parallelogram, this side and this side are parallel and equal. This means it's congruent. This side and this side are parallel, so this means it's congruent also. That's why he put here a tick and here a double tick. And what else? So, will I say it has four parallel sides? If I say four parallel sides mean all the four sides are parallel. That's why he said it has two pairs, mean two doubles of sides or parallel sides. So this means he has two pairs of parallel sides, and each two sides or each pair of parallel sides are equal also. So this is a parallelogram.
A parallelogram has two pairs of parallel sides and two pairs of equal length sides. The next shape is a rhombus.
Okay, what is the difference between a rhombus and parallelogram? It looks like alike or resembling each other. But the difference here that all sides of the rhombus are equal. That's why he put all the same tick on all sides. Okay, so the rhombus has two pairs of parallel sides. Each opposite side are parallel and have the same length, and it has four equal sides. Excellent. We will not say two pairs of equal length. No, here we have all the four sides are equal. So that's
a rhombus has two pairs of parallel sides and four equal length sides. Here is a rectangle.
Okay, the rectangle. The rectangle has four right angles, as we can see. Two pairs of parallel sides. This side is parallel to this side, and this side is walking side by side, but like this side. And it has how many equal length sides? So this side is equal to this side, so this is the first pair. This side is equal to this side, so this is the second pair. So we have two pairs of equal sides, we have two pairs of parallel sides, and we have four right angles.
A rectangle has two pairs of parallel sides, two pairs of equal length sides, and four right angles. This quadrilateral is a square.
And of course everybody knows this square. Square has four right angles, four equal sides, and how many pairs of parallel sides? This side and this side are parallel, so this is the first pair. This side and this side are parallel, and this is the second pair. So it has two pairs of parallel sides.
The square has two pairs of parallel sides, four equal length sides, and four right angles. Quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezoid because it has at least one pair of parallel sides. It is also a parallelogram because it has two pairs of parallel sides and two pairs of equal length sides. It is also a rectangle because it is a parallelogram that has four right angles. Have right angles. One of these quadrilaterals appears to have exactly 4 right angles. Which one?
You know, 4 right angles mean either to be a square or a rectangle. Do we have here a square? No squares. So let's see the rectangle. Here the rectangle. So 4 right angles. This is a right angle. This is the right angle. This is the right angle. And this is finally a right angle. So we have 4 right.
The rectangle has 4 right angles. Because it has exactly 4 right angles, we'll color this quadrilateral red. Which of these quadrilaterals appears to have exactly 2 right angles?
Oh. Obtuse, acute, obtuse. No. So I think this one. Yes, it has 2 right angles. So let's choose this one. Do you know the name of this shape? It's just a quadrilateral. It has no name. Okay.
This quadrilateral has 2 right angles. Because it has exactly 2 right angles, we'll color this quadrilateral blue. Which of these quadrilaterals appears to have exactly 1 right angle?
1 right angle. So we will color it
This
orange.
quadrilateral has 1 right angle. We'll color it orange. Let's use a Venn diagram to sort quadrilaterals. Which of the quadrilaterals appear to have no parallel sides at all? What type of quadrilateral is ABCD? Let's use a Venn diagram to sort quadrilaterals.
Okay.
Which of the quadrilaterals appear to have no parallel sides at all?
Okay, parallel sides. Oh, look here with me. This side with this side are not parallel. This side and this side. It looks parallel, but actually they are not. This side and this side are not parallel. This side and this side, of course, are not parallel. So I guess these 2 shapes. And it has no name, it's just a quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral IJKL and quadrilateral UVWX have no pairs of parallel sides. Where do they belong in the Venn diagram?
Which of these quadrilaterals appear to have at least 1 pair of parallel sides?
1 pair at least. So here we have 1 pair because it is a trapezoid. Here we have 1 pair because it's a trapezoid. Okay, here we have 2 pairs. So is it included? I guess because he said at least. And that shape also is included. E, F, G, H because it has 2 pairs and he said at least 1 pair. So all the shapes here, all the quadrilaterals here are included.
Quadrilateral ABCD, quadrilateral EFGH, quadrilateral MNOP, and quadrilateral QRST appear to have at least 1 pair of parallel sides. Where do they belong in the Venn diagram?
Now, which of the quadrilaterals appear to have 2 pairs of parallel sides?
2 pairs. 2 pairs. We will find 2 types of text. Okay, let's see this shape. This side and this side are parallel. This side with this side are parallel. So we have here 2 pairs. And we have here this side with this side are parallel and equal. This side and this side are parallel and equal. So I guess it is the rectangle here and the parallelogram there. So let's see.
Quadrilateral ABCD and quadrilateral EFGH each have 2 pairs of parallel sides. So they belong in the section where the circles overlap.
Why we put it here? Because they belong to this circle and they belong also to this circle. That's why we put it just in the middle between the 2 circles.
Now try your homework on your own with the personal math trainer. It includes the exercise you saw at the beginning of the lesson.
Thank you for watching Grade 4. Hope that you enjoy your day. See you tomorrow.
Thanks for